Hi DIYers, Joe from Alarm Grid, and today we're going to talk about which sensors are compatible with the Simon XTi system. Now, out of the box, the system is only compatible with a few different types of sensors. It can work with Qolsys sensors, GE sensors, and Interlogix sensors. All these sensors work in the 319.5 frequency, which is what the system is compatible with. There is a funny caveat with Qolsys sensors. As you may know, there's two different types. There's the regular version and then there's the S-line version. The S-line version allows the sensors to communicate in an encrypted manner, and they also are compatible with the XTi. Both of them are. The encrypted version, or the S-line sensors, they just won't use their encryption feature if you program them in to an XTi. And this is super convenient if you have a few of them lying around, or if you're doing a takeover with an XTi for whatever reason, and you have those sensors to program them in. They're not only compatible with the IQ2, they can work with this system. Now, if you have some other sensors where in your installation, such as Honeywell sensors from the 5800 line, maybe some 2 gig sensors or different types, there is a way that you can convert the sensors to work with the XTi. If you go to our website and check out a device called the Resolution 524, it's actually a wireless to wireless translator, and it allows sensors of one brand to translate and communicate with systems of another brand. The device itself does have an Interlogix setting, which will make sensors of different types work with the XTi. So it's a great device to use if you have a bunch of sensors that are off-brand or that aren't directly compatible with the system. You could use that to potentially interface them with the panel itself. Now, as far as panel programming goes for sensors, it's quite easy to do. I'm just going to run through programming one in. We have an Interlogix door window sensor right here. And I'm just going to jump into programming first. So we're going to click our little gear down in the bottom, pardon me. And then we're going to click the down arrow, the down arrow, the down arrow. And where it says programming, we're going to click enter. And then we're going to enter the installer code. For this, it's all defaulted, and we have it set to, whoops. Let me go back into the menu. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Here's our programming menu. So now we're going to click on sensors and then learn sensor. Now it's asking us to trip the sensor. On this, I'm going to trip its tamper. And as you can see, it learned it into the system. From here, we can set the sensor group, which is how the sensor is going to operate. You can find this in the installation manual for the system. It'll have all the different sensor groups and what they do on a page in there. And you can also set the sensor name. So we click save. It's going to finish its programming. And then it's ready to enroll a new sensor. And it's as easy as that. So those are the sensors that are compatible with the Simon XTi. If you have any questions about the system or alarm systems in general, head over to our website, alarmgrid.com. Give us a call at 888-818-7728. The number again is 888-818-7728. You can also send us an email to support@alarmgrid.com. If you did enjoy the video, feel free to subscribe. If you want to be updated about future videos, click the notification button below, and we'll send you an update when we do so. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.